Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, I'll introduce you to the best OBD2 scanner, the ultimate tool for diagnosing your car. If you've been searching for a reliable diagnostic scanner, stay tuned as I dive into its features, pros, cons, and my final thoughts. Let's get started. Product features. Reads and clears trouble codes. Whether it's generic OBD2 trouble codes or manufacturer-specific codes, this scanner handles it all, including pending codes. Check engine light reset. Quickly turns off the malfunction indicator light after fixing issues. Comprehensive code display. It displays generic codes like 0, 2, 3, and U0, as well as manufacturer-specific codes like PON, 3, and YUN. OBD2 monitor and I/M readiness status. Check the vehicle's readiness for state emissions tests with ease. Freeze frame data. Detects and displays freeze frame information to diagnose what went wrong at the time of the error. Live data streams. Reads live PCM data streams and O2 sensor test data in real time, offering a detailed look at the vehicle's performance. Modules present test. Identifies which control modules are active in your vehicle. Universal compatibility. Supports CAN and all other current OBD2 protocols. Built-in DTC lookup library. No need to search online, get code definitions right on the screen. Vehicle information retrieval. Access vital details like VIN, CID, and CVN directly from your car's onboard computer. Crystal clear display. The 128x64 backlit LCD display makes reading data effortless, even in low light. Highly reliable and accurate. Delivers precise data to ensure accurate diagnostics. Updatable via internet. Stay current with updates to maintain compatibility with new vehicles. Pros. Comprehensive diagnostics. This scanner supports a wide range of codes, from generic to manufacturer-specific, making it versatile. User-friendly interface. The large, backlit LCD display and intuitive menu make it easy to navigate. Real-time data. The ability to read live PCM and O2 sensor data ensures accurate and quick diagnostics. Updatable software. With internet updates, you won't have to worry about compatibility with newer vehicles. Built-in code library. The DTC lookup library saves time by explaining what each trouble code means directly on the screen. Durable build. It's built to last, with reliable and accurate performance. Affordable. Considering its features, the KW808 is reasonably priced, offering excellent value for money. Cons. Limited advanced features. While it's great for basic diagnostics, it doesn't support advanced features like ABS or SRS diagnostics. Not wireless. The wired connection might feel restrictive for those used to Bluetooth-enabled scanners. Basic software. The interface, while functional, feels slightly outdated compared to more modern scanners. Vehicle compatibility. While it supports all OBD2 protocols, some older or specialized vehicles may not be fully compatible. Final thoughts. The Conway KW808 OBD2 scanner is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, easy-to-use, and cost-effective diagnostic tool. While it may not offer advanced features for professional mechanics, its comprehensive code reading, live data capabilities, and state emissions test readiness make it perfect for DIYers and everyday car owners. If you're serious about maintaining your car and avoiding unnecessary trips to the mechanic, this scanner is a worthwhile investment. And at its price point, it delivers exceptional value. Check the link in the description to get your hands on the Conway KW808 OBD2 scanner today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and tech insights from Tech Kingo. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.